We will no longer permit the use of evidence as evidence statements that have been obtained using cruel, inhuman, or degrading interrogation methods. We saw the memorial to all the survivors, a steel plate, as Chancellor Merkel said, that is heated to 37 degrees Celsius, the temperature of the human body. A reminder where people were deemed inhuman because of their differences, of the mark that we all share.
So what is it about the human psyche, about the human destiny perhaps, that could allow human beings to become inhuman? Mr. President, we are here in this place of memory. And of course, I remember when you and I went to Buchenwald.